poppin', man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers.
So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about how to draw 120 degree angle using this compass. So let's begin. Before beginning, like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So first step is to draw a line, which I'm drawing. As you can see guys, I'm drawing a random line. You should draw a random line with a scale. Okay, first step is this. And in the before video I have told you in the part 1 that you should draw a line in 60 degree. Also you should draw a line, and you should do something like a like 1/4 of a circle. You should draw like 1/4, but in this you should draw more than 1/4. Like I will show you. Oh, let me draw. So more than 1/4 of a circle I have drawn. As you guys can see, after you should put the point on this and mark one cut. So this will, if you connect this and this point, it's gonna be 60 degree angle, but we should make 120. So that's why we'll put here one more point and cut one more arc. So if you connect this point and this point, I mean this and this point, then it's gonna become 120 degree angle. Let me show you the protector after connecting it. First let us connect this point and this point. So yes guys, you can see I have connected this both points. So let me show you with the protector. So keep the protector like this. As you can see, I have kept the protector, and this is 120 degree. Oops, you can see guys. You can see it's 120 degree. As you can see, it's 120 degree. So guys, this was how to make 120 degree angle in the same rule which is used for 60 degree, but only we should make it little more, like we should make it little more longer, and from here also you should cut an arc here. Means 2 times. Means from here to from here to here is one cut, means 60 degree. The second cut means it's 120 degree. So for today, this much only for today, and later on we'll learn 105 and extra. As I have told you in the first video that I will make only some parts. So that's why in the next part I will tell you how to make better angles, means more angles. So bye.
I've been poppin', man, I feel just like a rock star.